Good morning, everyone. So, based on the NEP 2020 syllabus of our university, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. So, I will be teaching the botany subject. So, if you just see our syllabus, okay, so in this you will find that our first paper, that is Morphology of Angiosperm, is one of the compulsory paper which you need to study. So today we will just discuss that what is there in the syllabus of the first paper, that is Morphology of Angiosperm. So as the name says, it is all regarding the angiospermic plants, their morphological features. You know that angiospermic plants are those which are having the flowers, fruit, seeds, the most advanced category of the plants. Okay, so unit 1 is like the basic body plan of flowering plant. So modular type of growth, diversity of plant forms like herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, annuals, biennials, and perennials. So the general characters of the any flowering plants we are going to discuss in 1.1. Second is 1.2, that is morphology of vegetative organs. Vegetative organs means those which don't take part in any reproductive functions. So, as we know, in any general plant morphological features, you have root, stem, and leaf. So, in this 1.2, we are going to discuss about the general characters of first, that is root, characteristic function, regions of roots, types, tap and adventitious roots, modification of root for storage, mechanical support, that is tilt root and its vital functions. So in this we are going to study the what are the basic characters of the root, their functions, and what are the different regions of the root anatomically which will help to absorb water or different other functions of root, and what are the different types of roots, their modifications. So there are different modifications, and based on that there are different functions of the root. So that we are going to study in this 1.2 a part, that is root. Next is B, that is stem, characteristic function, modification in underground, subaerial and aerial. So as it says, what we are going to study in this, that is the characteristic of the stem, which is the most important part of the shoot system. So the characters, functions, and its modifications. Okay, so there is subaerial, is underground, and aerial. So these are the modifications of the stem, and that we will discuss in this. Third is the C, that is leaf, parts of typical leaf, phyllotaxy, types, simple and compound, diversity in shapes, size, venation, and modification of leaf. As the name says, we will discuss about the morphological structures, different forms, arrangement of the leaves. Okay, in this. And second is unit 2, morphology of reproductive organs. So as we have discussed in unit 1 all the vegetative features, in unit 2 we will discuss about the reproductive structure, only the morphology of that. So that is 2.1, inflorescence. So what is inflorescence? It is nothing but the cluster of the flowers. Okay, so its arrangement, that is racemose, cymose, and special type of inflorescence. 2.2 is the flower, definition, parts of